Okie dokie. Well, here's kind of how the stacked Borla comes to us as far as the injector wiring harness. So as you can see, it's just kind of a bunch of ended terminals and stuff. So we've seen all kinds of ways of people put this together. So we're going to give you a little glimpse of the before and after. Okay, well, we've got it all pinned out now. As you can see, it's all heat shrinked. I tried to keep it all even. And it plugs into the Holley EFI main harness. So simple plug and play now. So that's just one of the examples we do to make your life easier. Alrighty, Marcus, give you a description of this combination. It's got our cylinder heads on it. Obviously it's Borla stack injected. And fuel management, Holley Terminator X. Got a custom grinding and hydraulic roller, custom pistons. Got the March alternator on it, set up. Take you in there and show you how it ran. Alrighty, 3,500, 498 foot-pounds of torque. It looks like it makes 528, but it stacks. As you can see, a whole bunch of 525, 526, really good there. Peak power 518, we're rated at 500. And so everything's good. That's even with the alternator. So get her out there in a crate, come your way. Have a great day.